T-Rok is a 16 by 24 inch exterior wall panel made with a 1 inch EPS foam core and a glass fiber reinforced concrete lamina. It adds R4 insulation value and weighs under 2 pounds per square foot, so no mechanical fastening or structural support is required. The glass fiber reinforced concrete ensures that the panel is durable and has a high impact resistance. To achieve a realistic stone texture, we individually cast panels in highly detailed molds made from a selection of the finest pieces of natural stone.
Hi, I'm Christina from T-Rok. Today we're going to show you how to install our T-Rok panels.
T-Rok panels can be applied over new or existing construction. For new construction, they are applied over an EIFS wall assembly. They replace the scratch, mesh, and finish coat. Your EIFS wall assembly should be prepared in accordance with local building code requirements. For existing construction, T-Roks can be applied directly over existing masonry. Before doing so, ensure that any loose or broken pieces are secured. If the existing masonry is rough-faced stone or the wall is not entirely level, you may have to level it using EPS foam or a cement scratch coat. Before you begin installing your T-Roks, any accent moldings should be installed. You can visit our website for more information on T-Rok pre-finished accents. Once your wall is ready, mark your desired panel pattern using a wall level and chalk line. Using a cement mixer, mix a non-proprietary exterior-grade polymerized wall glue. Make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions. Install the first row of panels, starting with the corners. Using a notched trowel, butter each panel with wall glue. Press the panel lightly against the wall until it's securely fixed. To ensure proper wall alignment, use plastic levelers and a straight edge or wall level throughout the process. Apply a bead of T-Rok's fusion caulking into the panel groove and insert your plastic levelers. Align the next panel and repeat this process. To achieve the design you want, you may need to cut T-Rok panels on site. For example, when an end panel doesn't butt up against a wall or molding. Panels can be cut using a miter saw with a diamond blade. For irregular cuts, like when you're fitting panels around an existing pipe, use a hand grinder. Once all panels and accents have been installed, allow everything to set for 24 hours. Prepare T-Rok's 2-part grout mix, which consists of grout glue and a powdered trim coat. Apply your grout using a masonry grout bag or a sausage caulking gun. Using a grouting tool, clean up your joints.
For more information on our T-Rok panel or on how to become a T-Rok preferred installer, contact us today.